Today, we're going to take a look at Samsung's silicone grip case for the long-awaited Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, which we just unboxed this morning. Now, this is a brand new case for the Fold lineup, and I really like the strap case from the Flip 3 last year. I'm happy to see it brought over to the Fold now. We have our version in white, which has this sort of orange elasticated strap. However, you can also get it in black with a green elasticated strap. In the box, you'll get this front frame, which will help stay on the Fold with the help of some adhesive. You also get this back section, which does come with a little bit of adhesive on to help the back section stay on. However, because it is filled in, it's not as much as needed as the front frame. The strap is an elasticated bit of silicone which you can slide your hand through to get more grip on the phone. This is incredibly handy as the phone is pretty large when unfolded. It doesn't take much effort to slide your hand through the strap, although it can be adjusted if you have larger hands. The silicone is soft and grippy, but not to the point that everything's going to stick to the case. I think Samsung have really nailed the material on this one. On this white case though, the silicone might get a little bit dirty due to the colour of it. Thankfully, it can easily be wiped down if it does get a little bit dirty. If that is a concern though, you're probably going to be better off getting the black version of this case. You can also see on the strap that Fold has been embossed onto it. This creates a nice unique look, plus makes it look that little bit more premium. I will say that if you're someone who likes to lay your phone flat on a surface, this is not going to be for you though. This is because the strap prevents this from happening. However, if you need to, you can actually remove the strap altogether, but you will be left with a couple of slits on the back of the case. Plus, you'll also have nowhere to store the strap, so you could possibly lose it. The case has a nice large cutout for the fingerprint reader and volume rocker. This is great as there's nothing in the way of the buttons, meaning they remain nice and clicky. Moving to the front of the Fold, there is a nice lip all the way around the outside screen. This does give some good protection and will lift it off flat surfaces. This will mean the screen won't get scratched up, although I'd probably still grab a screen protector for it. The case doesn't really provide a lip for the inside screen, but you're unlikely going to be putting that face down anyway, as it is quite fragile. Around the cameras, the case does have a little lip to stop them getting damaged. However, again, it's not the biggest here. The main downside to this case, unlike the flip style of this case, it doesn't offer any spine protection for the Fold. This is a little disappointing as it's a large part of the outside of the phone and is essentially left unprotected. Overall though, it's a really nice case that not only protects your phone, but helps you keep hold of it. If you'd like to purchase this case, check out the links below, or if you just want to take a look through the rest of our accessories, that link is down there too. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more Fold 4 content.